Hey, this is how we do a light post. Take a 1/8 inch drill bit, drill all the way through where you want the light post to be. The little trick with this is I use an ice pick and I put it in there and I turn it so the light post almost falls through. And then you have a piece of wood in there in the kit that says how high the light post should be, and then I just tap it down, move it where I want it for the height, so all the light posts are the same height. I take the white because it saves on painting because it's the same color, and cut it longer. The white goes to the fuse. The white goes to the fuse. Under the bottom you'll see a fuse. There'll be a transformer and a wire going to the fuse. This goes to the other side of the fuse where the other light wires go. There'll be room in there. If not, you can just touch it to any part of that metal and solder it on. Get yourself an end, put a little flux on it, and then solder it to the other side of the fuse from the transformer. With the top, I bend it so it just touches there. I move it off to the side so it'll almost sit there by itself. A little bit of flux. A little bit of solder. And I just touch it on there. Oops. I'm not so good lefty. Remember to watch for the texture of the solder to change, then you know it's down. That's the power and the positive of the 12 volt DC transformer. Then to the negative, which also comes out of the transformer, when you turn your ride over, if something can fall, remember that to make the parts, take them down with your hand. And then you just put a curve in the wire, set it on the bottom, a little bit of flux, a little bit of solder, and touch it on there. Blow, see the texture change. And then this goes, if you have other lights or any ride with a light, look, you'll see it goes to a brass piece of brass with holes drilled in it. That's where this goes. So you cut this to go to that brass piece, take off the coating and solder that to the negative end of the transformer, and then all your lights will work. And since we're doing this, I'll show you how I do touch-up paint. I take any container with a good lid to it. I fold a piece of cardboard, and then I take a spray paint can and I spray it on there so it'll drip down into the container. That way I have it for whenever I need it for about 3-4 days a week. And this is the white I use. That's that Krylon Indoor Glossy White. Then I take a Q-tip and I put it in there and I touch up anywhere that I soldered, or you see a chip, touch it up. For your fencing, I always do the inside first. Do one line, do another line, get more paint, touch up anywhere you soldered. And it takes about 4 times. I wait about 10 minutes and then I do the inside again. I wait about 10 minutes, do it again. And usually by then you start getting that perfectly gloss white finish that you want. Then I do the outside last because that's what everybody sees the most. And that's how you do lights and touch-up painting. Thank you very much.